This conference will now be recorded.
Perfect. Let us go ahead and start the subject. Last class, we were talking about DataLoader. We have seen that there are multiple tools available, right? There are multiple tools available in Salesforce to go ahead and upload data. As I told you yesterday, people who are not able to install DataLoader, don't worry. For you, we have a tool on the cloud. By this, you understood that DataLoader is a non-cloud tool. You have to download, you have to install. If it doesn't install, you cannot upload a data. But Salesforce is a cloud computing, right? We don't need to install. I should be able to upload a CSV file from anywhere, from any device, from any operating system. I'm using Linux. Can't I upload a data from Linux to Salesforce? Yes. And that's the second tool, DataLoader.io. You don't need any installation. How to access this tool? Let me log in, right? Rupam @of115.com, right? Password CRM1234 hash, right? I log into my environment. There we go. Scroll down, right, to integration, expand integration. Here it is. Click on DataLoader.io. Here is your IO tool, DataLoader.io. Click on Launch DataLoader.io. It will take you to an external website. Are you sure that you want to redirect? Yes, confirm. It opens up MuleSoft. Actually, it's a third-party tool which Salesforce has taken or acquired. The company MuleSoft is now acquired by Salesforce. Click on Login with Salesforce, right? Save production. We are not in the sandbox environment. By the way, what is sandbox? We'll talk later. Currently, just select production. Click on Login. Go ahead and allow the access. And you are in the DataLoader.io tool. You don't need any installation. Directly, the tool opens up. There we go. DataLoader.io. Same thing. Whenever you want to import something, click on New Task. You have an option called as Import. In the import, you have three options: Insert, Upsert, Update. Whenever you want to insert something, Insert. Insert plus Update, Upsert. Update only, changing an existing record, which I did yesterday. Right? Same process. There is no change. Select where do you want to load the data. For example, I want to load the data in account. You can type, there's a list of tables available. Most of the tables which you don't even know. Most of the table you know. Couple of them you don't even know what it is. You know lead. That's it. You don't know anything else. You don't know what is that holiday, which will come later. So there are a couple of tables you know, and most of the table you don't even know. These are all Salesforce tables. As we go forward, we will learn. So account, I want to insert an account. I click next. See, you can get a file from an FTP location. This feature was not there in DataLoader. DataLoader, it was only from a file which is stored in the local machine. You require a file physically. Here, you can get from an FTP location. See, you can create an FTP location, host URL, username and password, and system will get the file from that file transfer protocol and FTP location. You can get the data from secure FTP location, right? FTPS, secure, HTTP, HTTPS, secure location. You can get from some Dropbox, there are a lot of Dropboxes are available, like an email box, a web-based Dropbox, something like a letterbox where you can put a file and somebody and a tool will go and pick it up from there. Box, see, you can create a connection, give the box, see, login with an email address, password, authorize a box. Salesforce is also offering a box, box.com. You can get it from a database. My data is lying in some Oracle system in SAP. From there, I want to upload the data to Salesforce. See, this tool is more flexible compared to your data loader. Now you see, upload the CSV file. I go ahead and I point to the same folder, OF115. I point to your same scientist upload CSV. Right now, it comes to the mapping. This is the header, and this is the sample data. Serial number 1, F name Ramanujam, last name L, city Chennai, phone number 111, email this. Now you have to map here. Did you map anything? No. Did you unmap anything? All the fields are unmapped. All. Now, serial number, where do you want to load? I don't know. First name, where do you want to load? I want to load required field. For creating an account, the most required is account name. So I select. Mapping is done. First name will go to account name. Next, unmapped. Right. Where do you want to load? Last name, we will load in. Where we'll load? We'll load in street. See, last name will go to address, billing. City, I will load to city, billing city. Phone, I will load to phone. You can quickly search PH, account phone. Email, I don't have an email. I will load in the description. Serial number, I've ignored. See, actually, this is contact data, but I'm showing you to load in account. This is the way you will map. This is the way you will map. Now I click next. Anybody has any questions on the mapping? Same thing what you did with the data loader. Same thing here, guys. It's just a 5 minutes class to show you because you already know how to do a mapping. Click next. It will show that 10 rows will be inserted. The best part of the tool is that you can schedule it. I want to run daily this process. Daily at 8 a.m. Which timing? India time, Hong Kong time, right? Mumbai time. Mumbai 8 a.m. Starting from today, ending. I want to run daily next month 31st. So 21st to 31st. 21st of this month to 31st of next month. Every day, same location, it will pick up the file. So you go ahead and keep the name same. Don't change the name. Don't change the column. If you keep dumping the data every day it will pick up from there and it will run automatically. See, you can do that. Click save and run. There are two modes: bulk API mode, batch Apex mode. Right? Just remember that there are two modes. That's it. What these two modes are there, we will discuss later. Currently, you select any one. I don't mind. By default, it's batch Apex mode, so let it be. Send me the result via email. It's a paid feature. Right? For example, I want to send a result. Send me the file via email once it's over, a link where I can click and I can see the error logs. Advanced, don't touch that. Timeout, date format. See, you can say monthly, weekly, but you don't have a yearly. Monthly once. See, need to schedule monthly, upgrade. It's a paid feature, professional or enterprise. If you want to do monthly, weekly, see, need a weekly basis, then you have to upgrade. It's not a free feature, right? Hourly, upgrade, right? Only daily is free or none. None means immediate. You can schedule here. Next, I click on save and run. This will alter your data. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Now you see account insertion few seconds ago, right? Here in the all, I'll be able to see account insertion few seconds ago. See, 10 success, 0 error. When you click on success, it will download the log file. Come on, there we go. Towards the bottom, you can see account insertion 07 log file get downloaded. If there is an error, then it would have shown an hyperlink. When you click on that hyperlink, system would have shown you the errors. Currently, no errors. Over, guys. Now you go ahead and check the accounts. I go to my app manager. I click on view all. I click on sales. I click on accounts. All the scientists should have been loaded in the account now. I click on new this week. See, an account called Alexander got created. An account called Aryabhatta got created. An account called Ramanujam got created. Right? I open Ramanujam. I go to the details. Whatever I map, Ramanujam. In the city, you see that A Chennai. A is the last name, A Ramanujam. But it came in the street. Because you see, I put in the street. Phone number in the phone number. In the description, I've put something, email. See it. Wherever you mapped, it went there. Using a tool called as DataLoaderO. Once again, whenever you want to insert, click on new task. 2 minutes, just mute your mic, sit back and relax. Right? Import. You can now go ahead and update. Same thing, for update, you need to have, I selected update. You need to have an ID. Upsert, ID plus without ID. Whichever has ID, it will be overwritten. Wherever there is no ID, system will create update plus insert. Next, Rupam, how to go ahead and export the data. Here is export. Rupam, I want to export all accounts. With a control, can I select multiple table, multiple export? No, at a time you can export only one table. It's not that account, contact, lead, you cannot export it a single go. I click next. Same thing, system will write a query for you. You can select the fields that you want. I want the name, I want the phone, I want the billing address, I want the billing city, billing country, right? I want what? I want the phone number, I want the industry. So you can see that, or you can say I want select all. Same thing what you did in the data loader. I want only the account where the name contains A. Account name equals to contains A. I say plus, added. You see SQL query, it's writing that query for you actually. Where name is like A. Actually, you don't need to see. It's writing it, right? Contains A. See, one filter got added called contains A. It's showing here. Order by account name descending. I want all the name with Z, Z, X to be shown first. AB last. See, I click next. Rupam, don't we have here export all, including recycle bin? In such case, you have to go with a field filter. What is deleted? There's one filter called as is deleted. Deleted. Delete, 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 delete. Where is that? Deleted. Here it is. Deleted equals to true plus deleted equals to false. I want both. Deleted equals to false. Add. Both the conditions I'm doing. Here, you have to make little change. Right? Is, don't say and, say or. Is and is deleted true, or I'll change it to or is deleted false. Both. Click on verify. Right? Okay, that's okay. Just say or. Here you don't have, export all or something like that. By default, it'll be export all. It'll export everything. Right? So if you don't put this delete, no issues. Okay. Remove. I'm removing all the filters. You don't need to see the SQL query. If you want to put a filters, then pull it. Click next. As usual, they have an error in the SQL query. Okay. Reset. Click next. Total 34 records are there where the name contains A. Do you want to export now, or do you want to export every hour? Keep giving me the data. Use bulk. I told you you can ignore this bulk API or batch Apex. Send email. You can add a destination. Dump it in a FTP location. Throw them in a database. Not here. I don't want a CSV file. Secure FTP. Dropbox. You can see that one copy will be sent there. Add. You can add it. This was not there in DataLoader. You can export to a location. Now just click on save and run. The data export has been now scheduled. See, account export, account insert. It's running. Once you run, your file will be available here. See, success. Click on 34 success, data will get downloaded. New task, delete. Import, export, delete. In import, you have insert, update, upsert. Whatever the functionality you have in DataLoader, same is here. And all the logs will be saved here. How many imports have you done? How many exports have you done? How many deletes have you done? What are the schedules? If you have scheduled daily, then you can see, you can stop the schedule, you can delete the schedule. Everybody clear with the tool? Everyone clear with the tool?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rupam.
Right? It's quite simple. If you would have worked with the data loader, this would have been a 5 minutes work. Right? Perfect.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So which this is a third party, or which one will use
We are not in a state to decide which one to use.
Okay.
Still there are 2 more tools, right? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Still there are Workbench, Wizard. Do you know this? We don't know.
Yes.
So we cannot take a decision at this moment. Let us complete 2 more. Then we will take a decision that now we know handful tools, and then we will decide which one.
Okay. And one more doubt, sir. Here
Yes.
in particular, it's showing one data source, sir. Is there any option to merge two tables from different data sources, sir?
No, you cannot.
Okay. From one data, from all tables we can do here. We can't merge from different sources, right?
Okay. Let me once again listen the question. Sorry. What's the question again? Can you repeat that? Sorry.
Here it's showing data sources, no, sir. Here one option is there, no? From different data sources, can we able to merge different tables?
Where is the data source you're talking about? Where did you see?
No, sir,
While
there are
insertion?
some other options, no, FTP, FTP, and different data sources. Not here,
You
sir.
you cannot merge. You
Not
can
here.
bring from only one location. There's nothing called merging. From where do you want to get the data? From an CSV file, or a file which is stored in an FTP location, or a file which is stored in a file which is available in a Dropbox, if table in a database. You can bring from only one source. It's not that you can connect to a multiple source here and bring a multiple table and you can load them in a multiple table at a time. No, these are all single tasks. Clear now? The way the data loader is working in the similar manner, if you want to upload accounts, contacts, lead, you have to do 3 tasks. You cannot do in a single table from a single source. Account from a CSV file, contact from a drop location, right? And right, let's say that lead from an FTP location. Can I do that? No. You have to do one by one. In one task, you cannot merge multiples, or you cannot. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Anybody has any questions?
Sir, yesterday while working, I have inserted the file. So after I need to add more details after inserting that file.
Then you need to get the ID of it, and then you have to go ahead and run an update task.
Okay.
Right? Because the record is already created. If a record
Yeah,
is
yes,
created,
sir.
it will generate an ID. If it generates an ID, take that ID. And the way yesterday I was changing the phone number, I was changing, so many things. So go ahead
Yes,
and
sir.
run the
Insert,
update.
right? Not update, Naruto.
Sorry?
Okay. It's not.
Upsert, right? Not
I
updating the new
showed you
records,
update.
updating the old.
I showed you update, and then I showed you update plus insert also. Both I have showed you.
Yes.
Go and check
Yes.
the video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Both of you.
So you'll go by the update process.
Every time we have to extract the file, sir.
If you know the ID, then you don't need to extract. If you already have the ID, then if you extract also, every time you'll get the same ID only. No, ID will not change.
Yes, sir.
Right. As simple as that.
Okay, sir.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Anybody
Hey
has any other
Rupam,
questions? Yes, tell me.
hey Rupam, I'm sorry. Actually, this is. Can you please upload those? I think I'm missing some navigation in deleting the file. I just want to check the video. Can you please upload that video? Because it's my 11th hour. I don't think I'm keeping. I'm seeing all the navigations.
I
So from
uploaded the
yesterday's
video
class,
yesterday only. Please
I didn't
contact
get
admin.
it.
Contact
Okay,
admin. And see,
okay,
videos
thank
are
you.
not my responsibility. I have
No,
enough of things in my head, right?
I'm
My
sorry, but I'm
classes,
sorry.
my wife, right?
I know,
So
I
please,
know. I'm
anything with the
sorry.
video, please contact admin. I
Okay,
have no role in video. My work is to upload the video. If I don't upload the video, I'll let you know that, hey guys, I have not yet uploaded the video. Right? I will
okay,
let you know that yesterday's class I have not uploaded. So I've uploaded the
okay.
video. Every day I do somewhere about 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the evening. I upload all the videos. Right?
Okay, thank you.
So please contact admin. And by the way, just once again to reiterate what I have repeated in the demo class, your video will be available within 30 to 40 hours of your class. The same thing I've updated, I've been repeating in my demo class. Now also I'm repeating it. If you want, your demo class video is also there on the recording. You can replay it. Towards the ending, I've clearly written 40 hours, 30 to 40 hours after your class is over. Within that 30 to 40 hours, video will be available. Right? It's not for you because you raised the topic. It's for everyone. Okay? Don't feel that I'm telling you or something. Right? Your video will not be available like an Harry Potter magic stick abracadabra video available in your drive. No. I don't have a magic stick. Your video will be available 30 to 40 hours from your class is over. The video is available, right? I've clearly set an expectations in the demo class, and I'll be continuing that. I will try my level best to upload the video on the same day, but I will not promise. No commitment, no promise from my side. Things which I cannot do, I don't set wrong expectations. You feel good, you feel bad, but I am a trainer who will give you the truth, but not false. Right? Anybody has any other questions on IO? How to upload? If you want me to walk through the navigation, I can do so again. Anybody has any questions?
Do you mind running through that steps again, please?
Sure, no problem. New task, right? New task. You want to import, you want to export, you want to delete. There are 3 types of tasks available. Inside the import, you have an update, right? You have an upsert, you have an insert. For update and upsert, you need an ID. You need an ID, right? You need an ID, right? You need an ID. Insert, I will take an insert. Or let's take that. What do you want me to do? You want me to do an upsert or you want me to do an update? Tell me, I'll do it. Anything. Or you want me to insert?
Let's do the update.
Let's do the update. So first, locate the file where you have the IDs available. Either you have to go and run, right? Either you have to go and run an export option to get the IDs, or you see that this record is already there, the success record, the records which I already uploaded. In my success record, I will have an ID. I need an ID. Remember that. The only thing that I need for update is an ID. Here my ID is there. I don't need all these fields. Delete. I don't need anything. Delete. I just need an ID for update. Update and upsert needs an ID. What do you want to update? I will say that, right? What else? So city or country. COUNTRY. Country, state. State. STAT. Give country. INDIA. Yesterday also, if I'm not wrong, I did the same thing. Capital India, Big India, state, Telangana state. All these accounts that I loaded now, Control S. I just need ID. And this, how to get an ID? Go ahead and run an export, no? Select only the ID field. Give your condition where city is A or city is Hyderabad. Then all the Hyderabad IDs will be exported. That's it. Close. That's the most easiest pieces, right? Oh, sorry. The most easiest pieces, update and upsert. Update. What do you want to update? Accounts. Click next. Where is the file? It's in my download folder. It's in my download folder. And here I have the file. Right? Done. I just need to go ahead and see ID. Already it's configured. Remaining 2 field, state will go where? To billing state. Billing state and provenance. Oh, sorry, I've mapped country. So I'll say billing country. State will go to the billing state. Or type state here, STATE. See, billing state. I mapped it. Here we go. ID got mapped. Click next. Click run. Over. Account update is running. I'll have success within few seconds. See, 10 success. Go ahead, check now. As simple as that. Now you have only see billing city A and Chennai. As soon as I press enter, I will have state as TS, country as India. Same data. I'm refreshing on the address bar. I click enter. See, TS India. All the records, open and check. Billing state, Telangana state, billing country, India. Existing data I have updated. Open any account. New this week. Open any one of them. Thomas Alva Edison. I go to the details. I should be able to see in the address TS India. Clear? That's it for today.
Yep.
We have seen one more tool called as DataLoaderO, where you don't require any type of installation. You can directly go ahead and you can work on it. Right? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Once again, Eid Mubarak. Right? All of my Islamic friends, special day for you guys. Right?
Thank you, Rupam.
So celebrate. Sorry that on this day I'm conducting class. I'm sorry for that.
No problem.
Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. Any doubts tomorrow? I'm already late for my next class. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.